Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might raise a few eyebrows, but can be a powerful wealth-building tool when used wisely: how to make money with debt. That's right. We'll be exploring the art of leveraging debt to unlock financial opportunities like never before. Before we get started, let's debunk some common misconceptions about debt. Debt is not always the enemy. When used strategically and responsibly, debt can become a powerful asset to accelerate your financial growth. To make money with debt, you need to understand the two types of debt: good debt and bad debt. Good debt refers to borrowing money to invest in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate, a business, or education. These investments can yield significant returns and create long-term wealth. Bad debt, on the other hand, includes high-interest consumer debts, like credit cards, that do not generate any returns and can quickly become burdensome. Now that we know the difference, let's focus on how to make money with good debt. Real estate investment. Leverage mortgages to invest in income-generating properties. Rental income can help you cover the mortgage, and as the property appreciates, your equity grows. Start or expand a business. Secure loans to start a business or expand an existing one. A well-planned venture can generate profits that exceed the debt taken. Education and skill development. Invest in your education to acquire valuable skills that can lead to higher-paying job opportunities or entrepreneurial success. While leveraging debt can be a game-changer, it's crucial to mitigate risks and approach it with caution. Always conduct thorough research before taking on debt for investment purposes. Understand the potential risks and have a backup plan in place. Now, let's get inspired by some real-life success stories of people who have made money with good debt. These stories prove that with careful planning and a strategic approach, you can leverage debt to achieve financial success. I'm curious to know if any of you have experiences with leveraging good debt. Share your stories or thoughts in the comments section below. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of how to make money with debt responsibly. Remember, it's not about accumulating debt for the sake of it. It's about using it wisely to create wealth and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more empowering content that will level up your financial game.